Hello and welcome to the first part of Super Mario Galaxy. Uh, I haven't played this game uh, for a long while, so my gameplay will be a little bit, yeah, bad. Yeah, that. Uh, I'm just gonna use Mario for this planet. uh, Every 100 years, a comet appears in the sky above the Mushroom Kingdom. The comet was so large one year, it filled the skies and sent countless shooting stars raining down. Must be very hot. The Toads brought the shooting stars to the castle, where they became a great power star. It should have been a very happy time for the citizens of the Mushroom Kingdom. That was the night of the Star Festival, held once every 100 years to celebrate the comet. Okay, I understand it. Oh god! Scary face. Dear Mario! Yeah, I feel I haven't heard that. You can read that. You can read it. Do you? I really love this game. And its music. Yeah, you jump with A, that's a long jump. Yeah. You can't do a spinning jump like in Super Mario 3D World. You can't do that. Though. Well, actually, that's not that strange though. Because um, this game is made in 2000. Oh my god, that scared the fuck out of me. I thought my system shut down. Holy fuck. Well, excuse me for my bad words, but ugly shit. No, the toads. Did the toad try to fly? Bounce your head. Da 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 da. No 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 no. And by the way, I'm playing this on the Wii U, but the quality isn't 1080p, but still 480p because this is wow. Okay, there are star bits. Yes, that's what they're called. Which way do I have to go? I forgot. Oh, This way. This dirty way. To Peach's castle. I used the dangerous way. It shut down again. And excuse me for the low quality of this video. I'm filming this with my prettiest, yeah, that's not high quality. But I hope you enjoy this let's play for now. Every part will be around 10 minutes, 8 to 10 minutes, something like that, yes. Okay. What does Buzzer tries to take her? To freaking space. Preparation. Uh, she's in space. Goddamn space. Go away, K-Mac. Play with your teddy bears. I'm on another planet. Which planet? Hornady, you're awake. Let's play. Well, I'm sorry, but I have to stop this part because I said 8 to 10 minutes and this is 8 to 10 minutes. So, see you on the next part.